This is another project, a sales chart creator. I've just got a simple sales report here. Some simple instructions. Basically create 2 bar charts for me. One of sales by store, one of sales by month. That's all those instructions say. And then all we have to do is just get the sales data, which we'll get from a file here that we attach. And there we have it. And we'll take that. Very simple sales data that. Upload the file, and once it's uploaded, we can just hit enter. It'll whir away for a little while, and it's going to produce 2 bar charts for me. One horizontal one there, and one vertical one. And you can go into a bit more detail with this if you think you've got several sales reports. We've got a couple loaded there already, and we're going to go and load another one. The instructions are basically to create a sales report with a few diagrams, month by month though, including the data from the last 2 months. So every time I load the current months, it's referencing this month and the last 2 months to create a sales report going forward. So there's a lot of clever stuff you can do with this, and that's quite a fairly detailed prompt. If you want to create a prompt like that, obviously just use my rapid prompting technique to get all that data together. And then all you have to do is go and find the next month's sales report, add it in like this, which is fairly straightforward. And then once you've added it into the project, hit the button. It's got all the information there. Just add it, hit the button, and let it whir away for a bit. And in a few moments, you'll have a full-blown sales report comparing this month's data with last month's and the months before. And it doesn't take very long for it to do it. And here we go. I'm not sure what's wrong with that chart there, but we've got a few other charts coming down here. As we just scroll down, we can see that it's created all the charts it needs to do by store, by different category of products. Is that this pie chart's coming up there, and then some more bar charts for you to have a look at all this sort of stuff. And then it starts digging into the figures and KPIs and stuff and various other things that we've got there. So you can pull out your monthly sales figures and have a full-blown report. So there's an awful lot you can do with these projects to actually semi-automate what you're doing and actually start getting some real tangible results out of what you're trying to achieve with ChatGPT. I've got one more to show you after this.